Hey everyone, thank you for joining me again. In this video I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing a FIFINE BM88 boom arm. Alright, so this thing is pretty well packaged. Everything is separated and protected, very easy to identify. Inside you get a desk clamp, which is solid metal and feels so sturdy. You also get a low profile arm, segments, the rotatable ball head mount, 3 different thread adapters, 2 Allen keys, and the cable management cover, which is built into the arm itself. The desk clamp installs super easily and supports desks up to 60mm thick, which to be honest covers most setups. Once tightened down, it doesn't move at all. It's super secure, and I tested it on 3 different microphones, one being the Blue Yeti, which is super heavy. The arm uses 2 sized Allen keys, and each one controls a different type of movement. The small Allen key is used to adjust the left and right rotation of the arm. This lets you control how freely the arm swings horizontally. You can loosen it for smooth movement or tighten it so it stays exactly in place. The larger Allen key controls the up and down tension, which is basically the vertical resistance, so the arm won't sag under the weight of the microphone. Once adjusted, the arm holds position extremely well, even when repositioning the mic multiple times. One thing I really appreciate is how flexible the mounting options are. The BM88 supports 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 5/8 threading, all using the included adapters. That means it works with standard microphones and compact mic setups. The rotatable ball head makes it easy to fine-tune the mic angle and positioning. You can slightly adjust the height and tilt the angle, and then lock it down. Once tightened, it feels secure with no wobble, which is especially important when you're recording. Okay, so one of the greatest features, let me tell you, is the cable management. I've had other arms in the past, and I've never had any like this. The integrated cable management channels, to me, are the best feature of this arm. The arm opens up so you can place the microphone or camera cable inside, then slide the cover closed. The results are super clean, it's professional looking, and no loose cables hanging anywhere. It's such a simple thing, but it's so effective. It makes a big difference visually. The entire setup is super easy to install, very sturdy, it's extremely clean looking, and judging by the material, it's built to last. Once everything is adjusted, it stays adjusted. This feels like a proper upgrade, and it's not just for looks, but usability and desk organization. For me, the BM88 is a clear step up from a traditional boom arm. It's low profile, durable, and thoughtfully designed. Definitely an upgrade for my setup, and one I'd recommend without hesitation. It's pretty much everything I want in a boom arm. Check the links in the description if you want to know more about this item. Thanks for watching. See you next time.